Welcome back to our class today. I think everyone excited to know what we're going to study today, right? So today will be very important class because we will learn about how to write marketing plan. Okay, we learn a lot about vision, mission, about business planning, strategic planning, how to be success, right? So, but today we will study a little bit more about with how to write marketing plan. Just remember, we only have about 3 fundamental questions, which is very easy to understand. The first one, where are we now? Okay, maybe we'll ask yourselves, where are we now? And the second one is about where do we want to go. So in this stage, we will set up objective. If you remember SMART objective, how to write a good objective, so then we can use SMART term to talk about. We will come back to talk a little bit more about how to write marketing plan with this SMART objective too. And last one, and the last question, how to get from here to there. So this is the part of, you have to think about the action plan, think about strategic planning, or maybe some of you, or if you cannot think of anything else, then you can think of the marketing mix, which is maybe product development, or we talk about product planning as an action plan, right? Or maybe pricing strategy or promotion, like a lot of promotions, social media, or use offline, online. So that is the things that we take as the action. Or even you can think about the place where the location of your business, or they have any advantage of use the location. And place can be the distributor. I think we mentioned about marketing mix earlier, which is talk about in terms of the place, we will link to the distribution channels. If you don't sell or the product by yourself, then you can maybe ask for the middleman, which is maybe like the travel agency or in our business, or you can think about the middleman in terms of the tourism association, who can just help you to sales. Okay, so that is what we talk about the action plans. This is as examples, and that 3 fundamental questions will help a lot because in terms of the situation analysis, like the first one, where are we now? If you never done business before, you have to think about who is the competitors. Or do you have a good demand side? Like, did you do any market research to support your business to see the potentials? Just like if you want to have the new hotels, and then you can think about to have the market research to look at the different perspective from the demand side, like how they like this location, how they feel about, or maybe if you want to have a very unique product to be as a green products, like the green hotels, then that could be another issues that you want to focus on, the facilities, the concept of green, and what the preference of your customer. So that we talk about customer analysis, right? So that will be some things that you focus on it. And when during the where are we now, there's a lot of things to do because you have to look at the competitors. Do you have any competitors, or we can combine to consider between direct competitors, which is the very close competitors that provide the same product like you. So they have different cases, like if you want to run the fast food restaurant, I think you have to look at 2 brands that I can think of, like McDonald's and Burger King. So that is quite similar in terms of they provide the similar products, which is the core product is the burgers. So that are things that maybe you consider how to make yourself different. So that is what we can talk more about, how to understand the competitors analysis. But they still have more too, which is we will talk about it more. ค่ะ